Yeah. Okay, the topic is about car trip. Do you like to travel by car?
Yes, like to travel by car because because of it's give you a relaxness, because if you travel locally you will be disturbed by our other noises, and it will be hard to it can make you feel uncomfortable.
All right, so that is why I always love to travel by car, because it is very comfortable. At the end, there must be ending or conclusion. When did you travel, or when do you travel by car? When do you, or how often do you travel by car?
Because most of the time I travel by car when I need to go near to my other city, which is another city which can I reach in 2 or 3 hours. I I don't suggest if you want to go.
Listen, don't talk about you, don't talk about any other thing.
Okay.
How often do you travel by car? I always travel by car whenever I have to go to another city, as some of my relatives live to other cities, so whenever I visit them I go by car.
Okay.
That's it. ठीक है, ज़्यादा दाएं बाएं जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, do you know driving?
Yeah, I know driving since of my when I was
Since my childhood,
no,
since my
when
birth.
I was 14-year-old.
Okay.
And it's illegal in my country, but I love to drive car. That's why I really have interest in how to drive car, and that's why I got early to driving car.
Okay, would you like to buy any car in the future?
Yeah, I like to buy a Mercedes car because it's a world famous brand and they have really fantastic cars. They have also sports cars. I will buy a sports car in my future.
Okay, this is very good. Keep it up like this. Yeah, you're quite talkative. This is good. Let's go on. It's your turn, please. Okay. What do you do to relax?
Well, I do to relax gardening.
Now, I do to relax gardening.
I do gardening.
What do you do to relax? In order to relax myself, I do gardening.
In order to relax
Myself, I do gardening.
It bring my close to nature and drain my stress.
Okay. Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
Well, I think it is good to relax.
The answer is incomplete. Now, yes, I think it is good to relax, because whenever you play any game, you are mentally and physically involved. This sort of mental and physical involvement always give you some inner satisfaction and happiness. So, according to me, playing any physical game is the best way to relax one's mind. इस तरह, ठीक है? Let's go on. Do you think vacation or going on holidays is a good time for you to relax?
Well, I think this is a good way to relax, because vacation to far from my friends and family, it is a better time for quality time.
Okay.
And,
all right, that's good. So just go on with this book and all the questions and you'll be fine. Your turn, please. Get the mic. Okay, your topic is about special costumes. So my first question is, do you like to wear special dresses? Special dresses, okay? Any special dresses like frock or anything like, not like the traditional dresses, okay? Yeah. So.
And yes, I like to wear special dresses on different events. So it depends on a person who want to join any events. Then he choose.
Don't talk about he. Just talk about yourself. Yeah. So it depends on the event. If there is any wedding or any other function, I always dress up nicely. So to answer this question, I love special traditional costumes of my country like that. All right. How often do you buy new dresses?
I like shopping, and I often purchase different type of clothes. And I go with my friends and buy all different type of clothes.
Okay, just try to connect your ideas together as well. Do you prefer to wear traditional clothes or Western clothes?
Mostly I purchased traditional clothes like shirt and basket because it's our traditional clothes in our culture.
Okay, so you're using the same words time and again, and there is a repetition of ideas. Try to come up with different ideas, right? Next one, please. It's your turn. Your topic is about wallet. You know wallet, batua?
Yes, sir.
Good. Lag jayega chundi? Yeah, good. So let's take a start. Wallet is it current? अच्छा हाँ बच के अच्छा उधर से चुंडी ठीक है ऐसे ही रहना जाना नहीं और पता नहीं कुर्सी पे बैठ के कनाडा चला गया सीट के लेट्स गो ऑन डू यू यूज अ वॉलेट
Yes, I use wallet because I have money in my pocket. Sometimes I stole my money from.
I stole
my money. Oh,
you stole
my
you steal money from your parents now what do you do
sometimes when I
कोई बात नहीं शर्माओ ना सच सच बताओ yeah
sometimes sir.
sometimes you have to I understand खर्चे बड़े हैं
Yes, sir.
पेरेंट्स पैसे देते नहीं है टाइम पे करना पड़ता है मजबूरी है ना don't worry alright do you use a wallet you need to answer properly like yes I do because I always keep my money in the wallet right एक काम और भी कर सकते हैं एग्जामिनर के do you use a wallet अपना निकाल के टेबल पे रख दो yeah this is the wallet let's go on have you ever lost a wallet
Recently I was came home
when I was coming home
I was stand near the shop and someone stole my wallet from my pocket that's why
then didn't you say chora nu pege more that's the phrase we say so that was the occasion when I lost my wallet
sir.
very good you don't mind anything okay
No,
yeah
sir.
carry on let's
Yes,
go
sir.
on have you ever sent wallet as a gift to someone
I don't I think so it's
kharcha bahut hai aapka how can you do that so have you ever sent wallet okay have you ever received wallet as a gift from someone yeah
recently my brother was came from London I was by
I bought a wallet for him
for him that was by wallet from him
okay that's good what's your favorite color in wallets
there are many colors of wallet I like black color
Why?
Why
हाँ why बताना भी था ना black color क्यों
because I love black color
do you like to put a picture inside the wallet
because sometimes I wear black shirt just
black shirt black wallet yeah good
I always prefer to wear a black color
okay that's good overall good but there are so many grammatical mistakes and fluency issues and understanding of the questions so just try to focus that
Yes, sir.
you need to work very hard
Yes.
right okay thank you